Are there different rules for indoor or outdoor? So first of all, let's go back to the balls, because that always comes up. Balls that are approved for indoor or outdoor can be used on either one. Okay, so pretty simple. So even though there's the slight weight difference, a slight one's a little heavier than the other, they can be used in either spot. Now, if you use an outdoor ball indoors, typically you see a little bit more skidding, especially the Duras. The Duras, you know, they have it's a smoother plastic on that Dura, and when you put it on the gym floor, particularly on a gym floor, that ball tends to skid. And if you stand on the side of a pickleball court and watch another game, watch other players play, so you're standing on the side of the court, you can actually visibly see the ball skid. My recommendation is that if you're playing indoors, play with an indoor ball. I think tubs and jugs are pretty popular for indoors. I believe Durham makes an indoor ball. That ball is not quite as popular. I know we don't play with that one here, and other places that I've played inside, I don't see that ball as often. Not really sure why. I'm thinking playability issues. But definitely I would recommend, if you're playing indoors, get the indoor specific balls. The holes, it makes the ball bounce a little different, fly a little different. It just will help you.